Hello guys, what's up? I'm back again for another video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to stop your phone from auto-updating apps. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to stop your phone from auto-updating apps, the first thing you got to do is go to Play Store. Once you open Play Store, now tap this. And then go to Settings. Now go tap Network Preferences. And then tap this. So the reason why your phone is auto-updating apps is because this is selected. So to stop auto-updating, just change the select to this. And after that, your problem will be solved already, your phone won't auto-update your apps anymore. So that's all for this video guys, I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about, I will try to fix it. So that's all guys, thanks for watching, goodbye.